Hi Leo, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to another Love Bite. Let's see Leo, what's the message for you today? And these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you out there. Please keep that in mind, take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for my Leo gang and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Leo, let's begin your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here again with me today. And Leo, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. Alright Leo, what's happening here? Ace of Cups, Ten of Cups, Three of Pentacles, Eight of Pentacles, the Two of Cups, Leo, center of my spread, Six of Cups, Page of Pentacles, Four of Pentacles, and the King of Pentacles. All right. The Sun card in reverse. Leo, somebody is not very happy about their love situation. They are feeling a lot of love, but they feel their emotional needs are not being met. Something is really not working out, but they do want to put in the work. They do want to return back to somebody they really, really love. I'll continue this reading, Leo, but first let's start with some dialogue message cards. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll do the clarification, okay? So, Leo and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? And Leo, if any of you are looking for a personal reading, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Leo and their person spirit. Okay, let's take. Alright, that's enough. I'm going to take a few more from here. Leo and their person. Leo and their person. Thank you. Leo and their person. Thank you. And let's take a couple more from here as well. Leo and their person. All right, good to go, Leo. Your first card here says, who knew that one of the greatest challenges of my life would be the love of my life, who after meeting would eternally haunt my very existence? I hurt myself when I chose to keep peace to enjoy time with you. I should have told you the truth about what was bothering me. Keeping it all inside me has been eating away at me. I can't believe how much time we wasted on bullshit. I love you not only for your beauty but also for your soul. Our love will be alive forever because of the way you are. Pure, true, authentic, real, raw, and passionate. No matter how complicated this gets, I won't ever give up on you or us. Letting you walk away from me is my biggest regret. I should have fought for you and us. But somebody wants to return here now, Leo. Please make time for me. You seem distant, not yourself. I feel you pulling away from me. Alright, Leo, if these are resonating with your storyline, let's start your reading. Let's start with an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for you as a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Leo. Generosity. It's time to be a bit generous, not just with others, Leo, I feel, but also with yourself. Okay, don't be too hard on yourself. It's time to give yourself a little pat on the back or maybe a little treat as well. This card is for you, Leo, and you alone. This is not for your relationship, I feel. It's time for you to give to yourself what you generously give to others. So give yourself a little treat from the angel's side today, whatever you please. Maybe a small gift or an ice cream or anything. So let's start with your reading now. Ace of Cups, Spirit, what's this? Ace of Cups with the 10 of Cups in reverse. What does that mean? Ace of Cups with the 10 of Cups in reverse? Ah, okay, got it. Okay, Leo, somebody's recognized that they do have love for their person. If there's been some unhappiness here because of a fight or something, somebody wants to revive the connection. They want their love back. They want to feel that love again. They've not been feeling good. Maybe there's been some disruption in this connection. Maybe they feel their person, or maybe if this is you, you don't, there's some anger maybe between the two of you, or some trust issues now. Somebody wants to revive this connection again. Things have not been working out for some time, it seems. Three of Pentacles in reverse. What's the Three of Pentacles in reverse, Spirit? Yes. Somebody wants to now take action. In the past, maybe they were not ready to work on this connection. They may have snuck away. They may have escaped, maybe telling their person how they felt. But now this King of Wands is ready. They are ready to put in some work, I feel. Eight of Pentacles. Eight of Pentacles. Yes, they don't want this connection to end. They don't want this to change. They don't want something to come to a complete ending. They want their 10 of Cups back. This is what we started with, right? Somebody who's feeling, oh, I've lost my 10 of Cups. But I said they want to put in effort. They want this back. They don't want this connection to end, or, to die down or something. They're ready to put in action now, it seems. Why? Because they feel a very strong connection, the Two of Cups. This is like the ultimate. You fill my cup, I fill your cup, and we love each other, we are soulmates. Somebody is trying to manifest this connection back, Leo. I want this Two of Cups back. Six of Cups. This is again of somebody coming back, a soulmate connection, somebody with, you've known for some time in the past, maybe past lifetimes or what, I don't know what, but this is basically a very sweet card of friendship, and sometimes also indicates somebody coming back from your past. So yes, somebody is manifesting this Two of Cups connection, and they do want to come back. They want to find their 10 of Cups once again. They want to bring justice to the situation. Maybe earlier they snuck away, or they didn't do the right thing. They could have cheated, maybe, whatever they did. But now they are willing to do the right thing and bring justice to this connection. So, Page of Pentacles, Spirit? Page of Pentacles. What's this Page of Pentacles? Somebody wants to start anew. They want to start from scratch. They want to not live with this regret and sorrow of having lost a beautiful partnership, a beautiful connection. They want to come out of that zone of always feeling, oh, I should have, I could have, I lost out, I missed out. They want to come out of this place now, and they want to start again, it seems, from scratch. They are unwilling to let this connection go. They want to hold on. Leo, this could be you. This could be your cross watcher. I don't know. But they do want to return. They're holding on very tight to the fact that they want to come back. They now want to appear in a good light as the King of Pentacles, as somebody who's going to be the person that you can trust, the person who you can, who's going to be the perfect partner, perfect spouse, I would say. Somebody who's very generous, yes, generous, who's kind, who takes charge, who takes control. So they are a little, they're planning right now. They're a little, yes, they're a little worried, I think, here. They're a bit worried here. The only reason that they still haven't reached out right now because of this conflict which has happened. Maybe their person is holding back from them and has probably walked away from this connection. So they're kind of planning, thinking, how do I now go back and appear like this? Because they fear that if they do go and offer a brand new beginning after an ending has already taken place here, Leo, from what I see, they're fearing a bit of rejection. What if I get rejected? So, what's the Sun card in reverse, Spirit, which was the overall energy of our reading? What's this Sun card? Feeling a bit stuck. They're feeling a bit stuck. They didn't make a choice earlier in the past. They were pulled in two different directions. They now want to work things out. They want to take that baby step, send that message, say something, but they're a bit fearful. That's why they've recognized where the happiness lies, that much is sure. But they've kind of taken a little time to, wonder and think that if I do now move forward, will I be accepted? Will I be rejected? There was a King of Pentacles. I want to give him the mic. All right, so King of Pentacles, upright. Okay, so King of Pentacles, you have the mic here. Would you like to say something? King of Pentacles, would you like to say something here? Explain what you're going through. Oh, okay. All right, one more. Oh, okay. So King of Pentacles says, I'm a little afraid to make that movement right now because I may appear like the King of Pentacles, looking very sharp and strong and confident, but somewhere inside me, I don't feel that confident. King of Pentacles in reverse. I'm feeling a bit ungrounded right now because there were some games that were played maybe with my partner in the past, which I played, and I now realize that everything that I did, I didn't really win. In fact, I lost. I lost my person here. So I'm a little worried whether this connection is already over. I do want to move forward, but I'm a little feeling a bit insecure right now because of everything that has been done in the past. But please believe me when I say that I have a lot of love to offer. I love my person. All right, so whoever the other person is, who they want to go towards, be a bit generous and kind to them. They're very, very nervous. They may appear all strong and bold and whatever. Inside them, they are brimming with their love and also very scared that they're going to be rejected. Okay, so that's all I have for you, Leo. If it resonated, do leave a like or a thumbs up. It really helps me know how many people I'm reaching out to. And newbies, don't forget to subscribe if it did. See you next time. Love and light. Take care. Namaste.